Let's go, ma! Kaya mo yan! Pedal more! Yun, no? Nakita mo, guys. Hop? Yan, isang malupit. Namiss mo ba yung CIS, ma? Pasok ka na? Hindi daw. Weekend eh, weekend. Pahinga kami ngayon. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. So, we're back in Singapore for the weekend. So, syempre, we won't miss yung opportunity to cycle today. So, it's been ilan?
I don't know. It's been too long.
4 months siguro. November yata yung last ride nito. So, today is going to be a chill one. So, punta lang kami sa park. Hopefully, hindi na-stack up itong mga bikes na to. Matagal-tagal na hindi nagamit. We'll have some coffee. We'll talk about cycling relationships today. Papunta doon. So,
Miss you guys.
Alright, let's go!
Join us. Hi. Morning.
Morning! Sa tayo ta?
Tabi-tabi lang.
Morning! It's Sunday! It's almost 7 a.m. So, kung makikita nyo guys, medyo madilim pa. So, ganun dito sa Singapore. Kaya, masarap mag-ride. Hindi ganun kainit. You can actually start ng late morning. And, hindi ka matutusta. Hindi ka masusunog. I miss riding my road bike. Ay, ang sarap. Lalo na kapag ganito kaganda kalye, kagaya sa Singapore. So we'll head down guys sa Jurong Lake Garden lang kami, malapit lang yan. So siguro less than 5 kilometers. Ang objective namin today is time together lang. Siyempre yung time together would mean riding together para sa amin ni Yvette. So siyempre coffee, hindi mawawala yung coffee. So we'll look for a spot there. I don't know kung nandoon pa yung restaurant that I know, but I think a lot of things have changed sa Jurong Lake Gardens. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Papasyal din namin kayo. Let's go! Right, so cycling relationship tip number 1 guys. Siguro for me, very important is that yung communication. Alright, so communication would mean syempre talking through, planning through ano yung routes nyo, diba? Saan kayo pupunta, ano yung objective nyo for riding. Is it going to be a distance ride, so lacking in mileage, or will it be just a time together para magkape, looking for a coffee spot. So very important yan kasi lalo na when you have different capabilities of riding. Syempre you don't want na ikaw you're doing PRs sa mga Strava segments mo and the other one naiiwan. So very important yon, communication, planning, na you both agree ano yung objective nyo for the day. So that's number 1. Here's Mami Yvette. So marunong pa pala siyang mag-ride. So approaching kami ng Canadian International School. So ito yung everyday route ni Mami papasok sa school. So yan, CIS. So dyan din si Isel and si Riley pumapasok. So ito yung main gate nila. Although maraming gates yan. And of course, CIS, kakibat yan. Namiss mo ba yung CIS, ma? Pasok ka na? Hindi daw. Weekend eh, weekend. Pahinga kami ngayon. So, syempre miss din namin to. Yeah, Lakeville. So, almost 5 years din kami nandun dyan. Alright, so approaching Jurong Lake Gardens. Let's go! That's Jurong Lake Gardens. Papasok tayo dyan, guys. I think back and forth almost 10k din siguro. So mahaba rin yan. So ideal actually yan para sa mga naglalakad, nagra-run. But syempre, Singapore being a cycling friendly na lugar, so may bike lane yan. Alright, so nasa Park Connector kami. So look at the houses here. Ganda pag dito ka nakatira, yung back door mo
Landed there lang.
yung kanal na. So yan yung mga landed houses. Hi ma. So ito rin, may mga rental bikes. So kung gusto nyo, you're worrying na wala kayong magagamit, so everywhere dito sa Park Connector may mga rental bikes kaya nun. So okay, so lumabas na uli kami sa Park Connector. Nainip na kami. So medyo mabagal ang pace doon. A little bit of change lang ng route. We'll go dito sa highway na to, and then babalik kami sa Jurong Lake Gardens pagdating doon sa may Bihon area. Let's go! Magpasama kami ni Yvette dito sa malaking group na to, but syempre hindi tayo sasabay. So yung pace natin, lang tayo, bagalan tayo. Dito na tayo, mag left tayo, but take a look, ganda ng mga bike nila, mga pro. Alright, see you guys. Alright, cycling relationship tip number 2. So for me guys, very important na yung constant motivation. Right? So as a partner, you need to always reaffirm na yung partner mo is actually doing the right things, and she is actually making it up to make sure na magkasama kayo in the journey together. So simple as, let's go ma, kaya mo yan, pedal more, yan, so tamang pace yan. So seriously important yan guys, di ba mami, na yung partner mo feels na hindi mo siya iiwan, and nandiyan dyan ka lang sa tabi niya to support. Okay? Agree? Agree? Alright, so that's tip number 2. So mamaya na yung number 3. Let's go! Very cooperative sila today. Nagbigyan kami na makapag-cycle, magandang panahon, siyempre magandang bonding together. Alright, so nasa loob na kami ng Jurong Lake Garden guys. So kita nyo maraming runners, diba? So may mga nag-skates din, mga folding bikes, birang-bira yung mga naka-road bikes dito guys. So kasi park lang siya. So saka may speed limits dito sa loob ng mga parks and PCN. So talagang chill pace lang dito, enjoying yung greenery, scenery. Sarap huminga kasi talagang feel mo yung oxygen na pinoproduce ng mga halaman. That's Singapore. So sometimes you just need to slow down, di ba? Hindi naman kailangan mabilis ang pace. Slow down para makapag-reflect, makapag-unwind, free your mind, and mag-relax for the upcoming week again. So I really enjoy moments ng weekend kasi ano yan talagang time to detach sa work, pahinga, and again recharge again for the coming week. And it's best done together with the family, with your partner. Sinang gusto ng fried chicken, guys? Sari manok. Nagra-run din siya, oh. Nakikita mo, guys. Ganda ng park na to, guys. So, no cycling dito, guys. Punta natin itong temple.
Before,
So, parang dati class sarado to eh. First time natin.
to see it's open.
It's nice. Right, so cycling tip, relationship tip number 3. So number 3 for me is enjoying every bit of moment. So
Every moment counts.
yes, enjoy lang. So no pressures on being at home anong oras.
Enjoy the ride.
Enjoying the ride.
Enjoy the place.
Yes.
Enjoy the people you're with.
And for us,
When you
it's
ride.
enjoying breakfast together. So, yun na yung tumatakbo sa isip namin ngayon. So, kami magbe-breakfast. So, si Mami ang kinikrave ay yung restaurant dito, yung Fusion. Ako naman sa local hawker. Pero pagbibigyan natin both yon together. So, mamaya magti-take out na lang ako nung favorite ko na sa hawker center. So,
When you ride, dapat may goal kayo. And kami ni Rainier, every time we ride, ang goal namin is where to eat.
cycling destination. So it's not really about clocking in mileage. Ngayon actually we'll probably hit less than 20 kilometers. Pero okay lang. Importante is again, sabi natin, enjoying every bit of the moment.
Enjoy the process.
Yes. So yun lang. So okay guys, so pag medyo nagkaedad na tayong content, hindi na natin kaya mag-ride. Yan. So ganyan na yung mga trip natin. So I won. Sarado yung restaurant. So mukhang close eh. Close na. Hindi siya close lang today. Close na. So I won. Hawker Center. Let's go. Ganda ng park na to. I wish malapit yung place namin here. Every day you can be inspired na mag-exercise, maglakad-lakad, mag-bike. So, yeah. Alright, that ends our Jurong Lake Gardens tour adventure. Time for breakfast. Back on the road. Alright, dito na kami sa hawker place na kinakainan namin ni Vet. Having here, this one, and this one. TPS tama.
May custard ka pa.
Ito yung part ng enjoying every bit of the moment. Right?
Bawi.
Yan. So, cream custard pao, may siomay. I forgot ano nga ba to? Favorite namin to eh. Tapos syempre bihon with chili. The best. Ice lemon tea, coffee. Let's go. Bihon with chili.
Namiss niya yan.
Wow. Kahit mukha lang di masarap guys, parang walang sahog. Pero masarap yung bihon, saka yung dadala dito, ito yung chili. Next up, shrimp chor hon fun. Sabak talaga. Up. Next up, siomay. So dip natin dito sa chili. And then yung sweet chili. Sarap, totoong hipan yung loob guys, tsaka meat. Hindi lasang processed food. Wow. Cream custard pa. Guys, oh. Oozing yung cheese.
It's custard eh.
Custard pala, custard. Yun, oh. Nakita mo guys. Huh? So, done with the breakfast, guys. So, we'll head back home. Less than, I think, 2 kilometers away. Let's go! Right guys, so we're almost home. So, this ends yung ating ride video for today. So, again, always remember, cycling relationship tips. Number 1, always communicate. Second, always motivate. So, very important din. And finally, enjoy every bit of the moment. So, yun lamang for today guys. So, till the next one, happy weekend. Bye-bye! Bye, Ma! Thank you for today. Till the next one. Bye-bye!
Bye!
Peace out!